Hey everybody, welcome to Dinner with Dad. So glad you are with us. Hey, tonight I needed a really fast recipe. We just gotten back from vacation. Maybe in our last video you saw, we were in Florida and we've just gotten back and a couple days ago, and we're still kind of getting settled in. So I needed a really just easy, fast recipe for tonight. And so this is it.
You can tell we've been in Florida because right there in the background you can see our basket of shells.
Yes, the shells are still here. So this easy, fast chicken dish is called melt in your mouth chicken.
Yum.
And so here I have 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts.
Oh, wait, does this have any complicated ingredients?
No, I'm glad you asked. Just 5, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 simple ingredients other than the chicken. And so here we go. We're gonna do this really fast, and you can do this really fast as well. It's not fast as far as the cooking time. It takes 45 minutes to cook. But the prep time is super fast. So you start out with a cup of real mayonnaise. So maybe we'll talk more later, but yes, we were gone for a week to Pensacola, Florida. It was awesome. We weren't around anybody, by the way. We ate all of our meals in. We did all of our cooking inside, but we cooked really simple, easy little things.
Yeah, but we made sure to, stay away from other people.
We did.
And there really wasn't that many people on the beach, so it wasn't very hard.
Not at all. So you got your cup of real mayonnaise. I prefer the real stuff. And then a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. I'm sorry, Parmesan cheese.
Ooh, was it the king of cheeses?
King of cheeses. Half a cup, or we're going to use what's rest in this bag. No, the rest of that. Just a little extra there.
Keeping it simple.
Keeping it simple. Then you're going to take a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Voila. And then you're going to take a full teaspoon, first of all, of garlic powder. And then of seasoned salt. Love the seasoned salt. Full teaspoon. And then we're just gonna mix this like crazy. This is a perfect weeknight dinner.
Need to throw something together really quick?
Really
this
fast.
is it.
As soon as you get home, you can throw this in the oven. By the time you get everybody rounded up, it'll be done. So you just stir that stuff up, just like that. And then you spoon it. I sprayed this casserole dish. Have my chicken breast in there, and then you just spoon it on top.
Hey, while you're doing that, I want to say, I can't be the only one, but I just learned today that sand dollars are not just like shells. They're like real living things.
Why don't you explain?
Well, today...
Did you not learn this at the beach?
No, I didn't. My mom showed me a picture of someone that saw an alive sand dollar. I guess they were at the beach and they saw it, and I guess I never realized that was like a real thing.
We always see them broken in pieces.
Yeah, I just thought it was like a shell, and I never really knew how that worked because like a crab can't live in a sand dollar. But then I also knew they were really rare to find in one piece, but I guess I just never put it together that they're actually like a real thing, kind of like a starfish, I guess.
Callie, I am just shy of 44 years old. And I don't think I knew that either, unless I'd forgotten it,
Wow.
which is very possible.
I just never knew that.
I don't think I knew
Did
that.
you guys know that? Let us know in the comments. And have you ever seen a real one? Let us know in the comments.
Look at that. Hashtag look at that.
Yes.
Got all that flavor on top of that chicken. We preheated the oven to 375. We're popping it in for 45 minutes. I'm happen to be making green bean casserole to go with this. You could make your favorite vegetable.
If you want to learn how to make our green bean casserole, check out that video.
That episode. We'll check back in 45 minutes. That's all there is to it. Melt in your mouth chicken. 45 minutes. Went like that, huh? Here we go. Let's check on our chicken. It looks like it'll melt in your mouth, doesn't it? Let's check it and make sure it's done. Using our handy dandy meat thermometer. Going right in here. Oh yeah. Looks like we're in good shape. For chicken, you want minimum of 160 degrees. Yes. All right. So, just put one of these on the plate so you can see what it looks like. There you go. Melt in your mouth chicken, super easy, low carb dinner. Enjoy.